you all doing? If you're already a family member, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to hit on that red button to subscribe to join the family, and also give this video a huge thumbs up because thumbs ups help my video to be seen. So in this video, we will be preparing aloe and rice hair masks, and the items that we are going to use for these hair masks are virgin olive oil, grapeseed oil, tea tree essential oil, lemon essential oil, and peppermint essential oil. Then we are going to use rice and aloe vera to prepare this hair mask. So we're going to start by washing the aloe vera. After washing the aloe vera, then I cut it in pieces so that I can be able to scoop out the gel easily with a spoon. Alright guys, I won't be talking much on this video. I just have to explain few things and allow you to enjoy the rest of the video. I already have some of the videos on aloe vera and also rice on my channel. I will put the link to the latest content on the description box. Please check out the description, and I'll also put the card to show up on this video while you are watching. Next, I'll be washing the rice. Guys, I've always said this in my video. Make sure that you properly wash your rice before using it on your hair. This will help to wash out the chemical they use in preserving the rice. So after I've washed the rice properly, I add about 3 or 4 cups of water into the pot. Put it on the heat. You can use rice cooker. So I leave it to boil up to 20 minutes or more. I keep checking it to make sure that the rice is soft. So you have to leave it to boil until the rice is well soft. Hey guys, there's a secret that I want to share with you all on how I save with a wig cap. If you have been paying attention to my videos, you will notice that each time that I'm saving hair mask or hair conditioner with a wig cap, I don't press it down to the last part of the wig cap. I mean the bottom of the wig cap, okay? Because I don't want any residue to escape from the wig cap, any particles to escape from the wig cap into the bowl, and I will put it on my hair. Okay, so whenever I squeeze it down to the last part, I have to throw that one away. Guys, just take a look at how creamy this hair mask is. Look at how creamy and yummy this hair mask is looking. Have you given this video a like? Have you given this video a thumbs up? What are you still waiting for? So next guys, I'm going to add some oils and the essential oils and mix this very well so that I can apply it on my hair. So this is the aloe and rice hair mask. I've washed my hair, my scalp is clean. I have to section my hair and apply this hair mask by section so that it can go around my hair and penetrate on my hair very well. After applying it, I leave it on my hair. I allow it to stay like an hour before I wash it out. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and this hair mask really helps to soften my hair. If you were able to watch this video till this minute, thank you so much. I appreciate all your support, and I have other videos on my channel on how to use rice water on your hair and also aloe vera. Please check out those videos on the description box, and I would love to see you next time on my next video. Bye bye. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe.